Hiya guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, welcome and thank you so much for being here, you guys. I'm gonna get straight into the point today. Anyways, you guys, today we're having the 500 subscribers giveaway. And I have mentioned before in a few videos that for my 500 subscribers giveaway, we'll be having 5 giveaways. But we are actually going to have 6, and I'm gonna explain in a little bit why. First, we're gonna just get right into it. We're gonna go by the rules. I'm using my planner. It's a planner thing, you guys. I don't know if you remember, but I got this in one of my Michael's grab bag. If you guys haven't watched that video, go ahead and watch it. I posted it, I don't know, 2 or 3 weeks ago. Anyways, you guys, I wrote down because this is my first time doing a giveaway, any giveaway. So I kind of had to write down. But before I go into this, I just want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you to each and one of you, my beautiful, lovely subscribers. Without you, I wouldn't be here. Without you, I wouldn't be making videos. I mean, does anyone ever make videos just to look at themselves alone? I don't think so. But anyways, guys, I appreciate each and one of you so much. You have been extremely kind to me, to my family. You guys love my kids. You have no idea what this channel means to me, and you have no idea what you guys coming, on this journey with me means to me. So I want to say thank you, and I appreciate you, and I love you guys. Okay, guys, so let's go ahead and go over the rules. So the rules are, it's free to enter, obviously. Must be 18 years and older to enter. I don't know why, but I saw other people do it, so. I mean, what? If you're 17, you cannot get a purse? I don't know. Must be subscribed. Well, obviously, you guys, if you want my gifts, I mean, you have to be subscribed to me, right? And I have to see that you're subscribed. And then you have to like this video if you like it, dislike if you don't, whatever. And comment, you guys. That's very important. So, make sure to be subscribed and comment, you guys, something. Comment, what do you like? I'm going to show you the 5 things that I am giving away, and you guys comment which one you like the best. But don't comment one. If you like all of them, basically don't comment what you like the best. Just comment what you like out of this products. So let's say maybe like a bed sheet and a car vacuum cleaner, or that. So it doesn't have to be one item. If you like more, just say it. If you like all, just say it. Because, it will be easier when somebody wins, because the way I'm going to do it, I'm going to do that random picker or whatever it's called. So when, it's going to be really sad for me if somebody said, well, I like the bed sheets the most, but then you guys want the purse, right? So just put a couple things, so I'll feel better. Like, oh, she also liked the purse and she won the purse. You know what I mean? But anyways, you guys, do that for me. And then it's open to everyone. So it's open to everyone, U.S., international, whatever. So it doesn't have to be U.S. only. I'm gonna ship whatever you guys are. I'll ship it to you. What else? I think that's it. Oh, and how long does it run? 2 weeks? Let's do 2 weeks. Okay, let's have it March 15. On March 15, I'm going to announce the winner and take it from there. Let me quickly show you guys what I have. And and that's it. That's the end of the video, you guys. Listen, you guys, so I'm having 6 giveaways. I'm gonna tell you why quickly. I have a subscriber. Her name is Laura. She literally comments on every video of mine. She is the sweetest soul out there, I think. Honestly, she's so sweet. Anyway, she comments every time. So she commented also, and she's like, oh, she commented when she was my 100th subscriber. She said, I'm new to your channel. By the way, I'm your 100th subscriber. And I'm like, and I remember talking back then that, hey, I'm going to do giveaways and yada, yada, for my 500 subscribers, subscribe to my channel, things like that. So I said, Laura, you know what? That means a lot, actually. The first subscriber, I think it was like my husband. He gets no giveaways. But anyway, she said, I'm your 100 subscriber. And I said, well, Laura, you know what? When I'm going to do the giveaways, I'm going to give an extra giveaway to you because you're my 100 subscriber. And she commented back and she said, MommyBo Vision said, you are so sweet to offer. I am blessed to have everything I need. So please choose one of the other 99 friends on my behalf. And that was so sweet, you guys. That was extremely sweet of her. So I said, I will do that for sure. Laura, thank you so much. And your giveaway, Laura, goes to somebody else that I had already picked, because the closest to my 100 was Nawal Satar. So I chose to pick her, and you know, so she can have Laura's giveaway. So when I was, hi James. So kids always here when I don't need them. When I'm busy, I meant to say sorry. Anyways, so I know I went back and I saw at what she commented, and I noticed that she commented on this bed sheet that she liked. So I said, Nawal, it's yours. Thanks. By the way, I quickly want to mention that everything in my giveaways, you guys, I got on Wish limited quantity deals. I've already hold them. You guys seen them in my videos. If you haven't, go back and, you know, check my Wish limited quantity deals videos out, and you'll see all these items. I've already showed them to you and hold them, and I read the comments and I see what you guys liked and what, you know, you like the most and whatnot. Anyways, I didn't bring the whole set, but I brought a pillow case so I can show you what Nawal wants. It's this one, and it's the Dreamcatcher. I don't know what it goes, but you know what? I am going to post a picture of how it looks on the left or on the right as well. But this one is the Dreamcatcher right here. And you guys, this one I'm pretty sure that I got in king, but you know that rarely a Chinese king fits king. So this is a queen. This will fit a queen. Nawal, I hope that this will fit. And I know that Nawal, you know, if it's not gonna fit her bed, it's gonna fit one of her kids' bed. I'm sure she'll find a great use for this, and I know she liked it. I'm very happy for her to have it. So Nawal, congratulations. And thank you so much for your support. You guys, the second giveaway. Oh, also one more thing. You see they're open. You know that every item that I have is 100% new, not used. The only thing is I took them out and I put them on a bed, because you guys, every time I hold something, I show you how it looks. So I took them out of the original package and I put them on a bed. So then obviously when I put them back together, it's not as nice, you know, and like, but you guys will know when you get them that they're brand new, they're unused, please. But you know that because you see my videos and you see when I open and I put them on bed just to show you how it looks, to see if you like it, to buy it. If not, not. Then let's do the five giveaways for the 5 people quickly, and we're done. So this is another bed set right here, you guys. And this is also I bought it as a king, but nope, it fit the queen upstairs. I put it in my mom's, when mom comes to visit, she has her own room, so I put it on her queen bed. So you guys go watch that video if you want to see how it looks. It's in one of my Wish limited quantity deal video. I might actually tag all the videos that I hold this product in. So one of the winner will get this bed set. It's and then a second winner will get this back here. And when I hold it, I thought I didn't like the color, but then I fell in love with this color eventually. And I have a couple. I got a couple of this. This is also from, so you know, it's obviously it's not Michael Kors. It's Mickey Kean, and it's a pretty nice size bag, you guys. And it's actually a cute color. I don't know why I didn't like this color initially, because this color is it's a new color, you know, it's really nice. So somebody is going to win this purse right here. And then somebody is going to win this purse right here, which I also hold. And you guys seem to really like it. It's also brand new, never used. But I did put something inside. It's like a jacket to show you how it looks when it has, you know, because see, like this, it's like flat. So I kind of put something inside to show you guys how it looks, you know, without being flat. That's right, James. So somebody's gonna win this purse right here, I think, which is really cute. So that's a third winner. The fourth winner is gonna use this car vacuum. Now, you guys, you see how the box is beat up? Not because I did or anything, but for those of you that order from Wish from China, you know that most of the things come beat up. You know, like this. Their packaging sucks, but it's okay. You know, what's inside it matters, right? So we got this car vacuum, you guys. I hold it in one of my videos as well. So one of you will get that. And the fifth person will get this Komedo suction tool. People seem to like that as well. That's for your face. It's actually a really cool product. I have one myself. So it comes with, you know, all these gadgets inside. So that's, I think it's pretty cool. So anyways, you guys, these are the 5 items and the 6 that goes to Nawal. We already know. I don't know who the other 5 winners will be, but I wish you all good luck. I love you all so much. I thank you again from the bottom of my heart. And, you know, on March 15, I will go ahead and I will announce the winners. So guys, good luck. I love you and thank you. And I am gone.